on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making white bean soup with turkey bacon. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 5 cups of chicken broth, 3 15.5 ounce cans of white kidney beans. You want to drain and rinse them. We're going to reserve 3/4 cup of those beans, 3/4 cup of half and half, 6 slices of turkey bacon, and you want to cut them into small pieces. I have 1 handful of chopped spinach, that's optional, 1 medium onion diced, 2 celery ribs sliced thin, 3 carrots peeled and sliced thin, 1½ tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and also 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. In my Dutch oven over medium heat, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our turkey bacon. We're going to cook our turkey bacon for 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Okay guys, once your bacon is nice and crispy, you want to remove it from your pot and you want to put it on a dish lined with paper towels, and we're going to set it to the side. Now to the same pot, we're going to add in our onions, our carrot, and our celery. We're going to let that saute for 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to let our veggies get soft. And guys, you want to go ahead and move your veggies around. You want to kind of scrape up all that flavor that's on the bottom of your pot. Let it mix in with your vegetables. Once your veggies are soft, we're going to add in our minced garlic, our oregano, black pepper, paprika, crushed red pepper flakes, our parsley, also our thyme. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. We're going to let it cook for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. You want to turn up your heat, and we're going to let it come to a light boil. Okay guys, now you want to get a blender. I'm going to be using my hand blender. And you just want to add in your beans to it. and also your half and half. Guys, that is the 3/4 cup of the beans. So now we're just going to go ahead and blend it until everything is nice and smooth. Everything is nicely blended. You have your bean puree. Now that we have a slight boil, we're going to add in our beans. We're going to add in our turkey bacon and also our bean puree. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to bring it back up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to lower your heat to medium-low. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it simmer for 15 minutes. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, you can go ahead and add in your spinach, that's if you're using it, and also your shredded Parmesan cheese. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And you also can give it a taste. If you want to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. We're going to let it cook for about 1 to 2 more minutes. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, you can go ahead and turn off your heat. Look how delicious this looks. Okay guys, so here we have it, our white bean soup with turkey bacon. If you're a soup lover, you're going to love this. It's so packed with flavor and it's a nice hearty soup. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?